नमस्कार मंडळी. दिस वीकेंड वॉज रामनवमी एंड मैंने सोचा था कि मुझे एक छोटा सा एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है. ड्यू टू सम और दी अदर रीज़न आई वॉजंट एबल टू डू इट एंड इसलिए हमने डिसाइड किया कि ऑन नेक्स्ट वीकेंड दैट इज़ ऑन 13th हम ये करेंगे. सो मुझे बहुत मन था कि एक छोटा सा मराठी भक्ति संगीत और अभंग का प्रोग्राम किया जाए. And we were rehearsing for it, and this time the team is same, but for this program even one of my friends have joined us, and we are very excited for this one because everyone who has seen me performing since I was, what I can say, I was 5-year-old, and now they are going to be there. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट एडवेंचर्स आर कमिंग ऑन आवर वे बिकॉज बहुत सारे हर्डल्स आ रहे हैं ऑलरेडी. आई होप इट गोज़ रियली वेल. लेट्स सी.
ओम नमः शिवाय. साउथ अफ्रीका शो करवाना.
राकेश मेरी इच्छा नहीं चल रहा. राकेश मेरी चाह बात તમે ચા अच्छा आई गयो
कोई माने चलो. Good morning मंडळी. Yesterday's show went really well and we named it Nad Brahma. It was Ai's idea to name the program Nad Brahma and एक तो लोकेशन के इश्यूज इतने थे तो हमारा टाइमिंग बहुत ऑड था. इट वाज लाइक 4 to 7. सो वी वर वेरी स्कैर्ड कि इतनी गर्मी में लोग 4 बजे टर्न अप कर पाएंगे या नहीं. बट आई टेल यू जेन्युइन एफर्ट्स डू गेट ऑडियंस. ऑल ऑफ देम हु केम फ्रॉम सो फार अवे, वो सब 3:45 को लोकेशन पे आ चुके थे एंड शो बहुत ही अच्छा गया. एंड दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई वॉज परफॉर्मिंग इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ माई गुरु एंड इट वॉज इवन मोर स्पेशल. एक्चुअल में कहा जाए तो शो को 4 चांद लगाए थे हमारे सभी इंस्ट्रूमेंटलिस्ट ने. आई रियली वॉन्ट टू थैंक देम. आई डोंट नो इफ़ दे आर वॉचिंग दिस और नॉट, बट उनके वजह से हमारे शो में 4 चांद लग गए. ईच एंड एवरी इंस्ट्रूमेंटलिस्ट हु वॉज इन आवर टीम. It was for the first time that I was not panicked about how will I sing. Obviously other all things जो भी मैनेजमेंट का होता है उनको लेके मैं हमेशा ही पैनिक करती हूँ. बट अदर दैन दैट दिस वॉज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई वॉज नॉट पैनिक दैट ओ माई गॉड आई डोंट नो वॉट आई हैव टू सिंग. I was very clear. Okay, my phone storage was full. I genuinely have to do something about this issue now. But yeah, one of the major reasons that I wasn't panicked about what I have to sing was that all my instrumentalists they have helped me with each and every song so nicely. Either it's percussions or flute or keys or harmonium. I cannot thank them enough. I am repeating my statements but I really mean it because you have a team who supports you with your issues instead of bashing you with इतना नहीं आता है. When they are very supportive to you, it gives you courage. It gives you mental peace कि नहीं यार हो जाएगा, मुझसे हो जाएगा. It gets you out of panic that okay, they are helping me. I'll figure out my mistakes. I'll figure out how to do this thing, and it is very important. And touch wood. But yeah, the show went really really well. But we don't have time to sit and chill and enjoy the adrenaline rush because I have my theory exams on the next Sunday. So we just have 6 days to prepare for the same. So now I'll go for my classes and then I'll prepare for the exam. I hope they go well. नमस्कार मंडली. वी हैव बीन स्टडिंग ऑल डे लॉन्ग क्योंकि कल मेरा म्यूज़िक का थियोरी एग्ज़ाम है एंड आई एम बिट एंशियस अबाउट इट बिकॉज post my college which is almost a year back, I haven't written any papers. All the other exams that I gave, those were just computer based exams. So मुझे बस थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा है कि कल का पेपर मैं 2 घंटे में ख़त्म कर पाऊँगी या नहीं. but yeah, let's hope for the best and keep studying. Namaskar. I slept after coming back from exam because I was awake since 6 in the morning, if I'm not wrong. And yesterday night I slept almost by 12:30 or 1. So I was very sleepy and it was scorching heat. So when I came back at home at 1 o'clock, I had zero energy to even sit and have my lunch. I directly slept for straight 3 to 4 hours. एंड पहले हमें एक्सपेक्टेड था कि थियोरी और प्रैक्टिकल के बीच में हमें 10-15 दिन का गैप मिलेगा. सो आई वॉज बिट रिलैक्स्ड कि मैं शांति से प्रिपरेशन करूँगी, पीछे के भी राग रिवाइज करूँगी. बट देर इज़ नो चांस टू इट बिकॉज टुडे वी केम टू नो दैट आवर प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम इज़ एग्जैक्टली after 7 days, that is next Sunday. So there is no time or no space to rest. We have to get back to practice from today itself. The paper went well, but I don't want to comment anything until the results are out. Just wish me luck for my practicals. I'm very scared. Tomorrow is our exam day and I am very scared as usual. I genuinely feel very good for those people who can claim that we are prepared and we are not scared of anything coming towards us. I don't know, I can never do that. Even if I am 100% prepared, I won't ever have that laid back feeling that okay, I am prepared, now I'll just chill. I can never do that. I can never do that. Now we are just going through few rags which are left to revise, and then later I'll just sit and practice for tal, because that is something your examiner will screw you for, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to be in a state where I have to say कि मैम मुझे नहीं आता है. So let's hope for the best. I am just a bit anxious, but that's good. I think I work better when I am stressed. It's almost 11 and we are practicing. How do you feel, Akshita?
Stressed.
We are practicing tal at night. Din tirikita din din.
Dhin, dhin.
No, that's different.
Galat hai.
I was cleaning my makeup kit and I found this crochet. Like मैंने कुछ तो आधा बना के छोड़ दिया था and I now don't even recall what was I making, and I got distracted and I started crocheting it again. And now I have everything scattered on my bed while me doing crochet.